Hi, guys, and welcome to another episode of Decide to Go Pro podcast. Today, I want to talk about doubt stops actions, which brings me, how was your week? How is your month going? Have you ticked off any of your to do lists yet? Have you completed the goals that you set yourself out for this month to do? Well, for me, I've allowed doubt to stop me from doing the things I wanted to get done this month. I allowed doubt to stop me from taking action, especially when it came to things that I wasn't confident of doing or still was learning how to do it. One of them was actually creating a handful of podcasts so I could then spend more time on the things I wanted to do that would help me move forward in my network marketing business. And that's, even preparing for this episode has taken me ages. I planned to do this podcast a few weeks ago, but I just allowed doubt to stop me from taking action. And it brings me to a saying that Fraser Brooks says. He says, "The more you think, the more you doubt. The more you doubt, the less you do. The less you do, the more you think." So you can obviously see that we can get ourselves into a bit of a loop if we think and doubt too much. But what I can be optimistic about is that I've increased my fitness level in RPM. Now I do it twice a week, and I've always wanted to try and break my 83% effort. I wanted to get up there to the 84%. Well, I did it. I finally got to the 84%. It was hard. It was definitely hard. And then I did it again and I got up to 85% last week. But what I realized is that I really had to test myself. Now, if anyone has ever done an RPM class, it's really intense on your mind and on your body. You can start making any kind of excuses why not to do it, or you can start doubting yourself. But after achieving this, it made me think that the best way to kill doubt is to actually take action. And sometimes this will put you in an uncomfortable state. I can tell you when doing those classes, my mind was working overtime. But I had to ask myself, why was I here? And the answer was obviously to get fitter and get better at it. And just because I did it the first day, I knew when I was coming back the next day, I had to really dig deeper the following day just to produce the same results. Now, we can apply this with everyday life, but more so in our network marketing business. At times, you are going to doubt yourself. You're going to have people telling you why you're doing that business, why you're doing a network marketing business. It's a pyramid scheme. It's a scam. All these things are going to come up in your mind. You're going to have fear of approaching people. You're going to think to yourself, I'm not good enough to be able to be a network marketing professional. It's the same with doing some of these classes. I've tried to get other guys to come in and do an RPM class with me. And they said, why do you want to do that for? That's crazy. But to be honest, once you get yourself in there and you do an intense workout, how good do you feel afterwards? And that is because you take action. And that's the same with network marketing. The things that I've had to do and learn by taking action, even doing this podcast now is taking action. Yes, it feels very uncomfortable in what I'm doing and talking as I'm going along, but I know the more I do it, the better I get at it, and hopefully the better value I'll be able to give to other people. Because again, my goal is to show that you don't have to be skillful at becoming a network marketer. As they say, you can't look good and become successful at the same time. It is going to get messy. So guys, I encourage you to take action. Do stop doubting yourself in anything that you're doing in life. Don't get down the track in 3 or 4 years' time or even 6 months' time and wish to yourself, I wish I took action on doing something. Give it a go. There is nothing to lose, and you'll find that you'll have a whole lot to gain when you stop doubting yourself, because you have everything you need to do to achieve your goals. So till next time, have a great evening, and we'll talk soon.